Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about one support project issue. On screen here you can see one of user has reported this issue. In a short description, user has mentioned he is not able to post good receipt against purchase order and he has provided the purchase order number. And in the note section he mentioned he actually tried to post good receipt against purchase order but getting error, and he has mentioned the error inadmissible movement type - acceptance at vendor set for PO item. Further he has mentioned error screenshot has been attached for reference. So we'll check the error screenshot. So this is the error screenshot which user has provided along with the ticket. So if you see this error screenshot, in the error screenshot it clearly shows he is trying to perform good receipt, but during good receipt he is facing this error inadmissible movement type - acceptance at vendor set for PO item. Then we have to ask user to just provide long text description of this error. So if we ask user to provide long text description of this, then here you can see this is the long text information of this error message: inadmissible movement type acceptance at vendor set for PO item, message number M7429. So as per the information provided in the ticket, what user is saying, he is trying to post good receipt, means at the time of good receipt he is facing error and he is trying to perform good receipt against this purchase order 454x01838. Now what we'll do, we'll open this as a support consultant. It is our responsibility to first check what type of purchase order is this. So we'll now log in into system, and in GUI we'll open this purchase order. So purchase order number is 454x01838. 454x01838. So so here you can see the document type of this purchase order is NB, and here item category is standard, and if you see at item level, so there is no purchase order history. It means user is trying to perform good receipt against this purchase order, but he is facing some issue. And as per the error, what it is saying, inadmissible movement type and acceptance set at vendor for line item. So that acceptance, if you go to delivery tab, so here you will see we have a field available origin acceptance. So it means in this purchase order this origin acceptance checkbox is selected, and when he tries to perform good receipt, so that time that user is facing issue. So what we'll do, we'll replicate this issue in a test system. Whenever we receive ticket from business user, so what's our first activity is, we need to check all information in the production purchase order, and we need to create similar PO in our test system. So let's say this is our production system, and now I am opening my test system. Let's say this is my test system. Now here what I will do, I will try to create same purchase order in the test system. So here we'll check with which document type he has created the purchase order, with NB document type. So we have selected same document type. Then what vendor that user has selected, this vendor, so I will copy this vendor. Then if you go to org data, so here we'll just check what organization data he used. So purchase organization is 1711, purchasing group 001, and company code 1711. So we'll enter same data Then next, what material that user has used, so we'll take same material code for how much quantity. Let's say for 1 each quantity he has created purchase order. Next, under which plant he has created the purchase order. If we move the scroll bar towards right side, we'll get plant code. So he has created purchase order for 1711 plant. Okay, and store location is 0001, I guess. Okay, the next thing is, as we checked in a delivery tab, there is checkbox. Okay, you selected that checkbox is origin acceptance, so we'll select same checkbox. Click on check button and save. Okay, I will open this purchase order. So we have created 454 times 01840 purchase order in a test system. If we go to header level to check if workflow has triggered or not, see, flexible workflow has triggered and it's under approval. So now what we'll do, we'll try to approve this purchase order. So as this purchase order, okay, has flexible workflow got triggered, so in this case, okay, we need to approve this purchase order through my inbox. So here what I will do, I will go to my inbox. Yeah, see, so this purchase order is available, and on the right side here you can check all the details of purchase order. So okay, I'm going to approve this purchase order. So I'm clicking on approve. Here I'm putting this comment as a approve. Click on submit. So this approve. Okay, after purchase order approved, that purchase order will be removed from this your inbox screen. Now if we go back to purchase order and just open this purchase order again, so here you can see under flexible workflow tab, the status now updated as a purchase order release, and in the comment section if you click on this box, here it will show that note, comment approved. Now okay, we'll do the same thing which user is doing. So what user is doing, user is trying to create or user is trying to post good receipt. So for that we'll open transaction on GUI only. So he is trying to perform good receipt through MeGo transaction. So we have opened MeGo transaction. Here I am selecting good receipt, and here I will select reference as a purchase order, and in this, okay, I will put purchase order number. Press enter. The next thing, okay, if we just minimize this header section, in quantity, observe quantity in where, okay, here. Okay, all details are entered, okay, and click on check button. Okay, item, okay, checkbox we need to select, and then click on check button. Yeah, so we managed to replicate this issue in a test system. If you click on this long text button, here it will show, okay, long text description of this error message: inadmissible movement type acceptance at vendor set for PO item. Now we managed to replicate this issue, but now we need to understand or we need to analyze, okay, why this issue is occurring. The reason is, okay, as if we go back to purchase order, okay, if we go back to purchase order, here under delivery tab, this origin acceptance checkbox is selected. Okay, as this checkbox origin acceptance checkbox is selected, system is not allowing us to perform good receipt. Okay, now we need to understand what is the purpose of this origin acceptance, or what is this origin acceptance. So for this we'll go back to our presentation. Yeah, so this origin acceptance, the purpose of this origin acceptance, if you see on screen, with this origin acceptance, okay, system allows us, okay, to accept good at supplier facility. Supplier facility means, oh, when we send purchase order to supplier, okay, so after receiving the purchase order, okay, what we can do, suppose that material is ready at supplier location, so before dispatching that material from supplier location, okay, we will do some inspection like quality inspection or some visual inspection we will do at supplier location before dispatching that material. And what we'll do, if that material is okay, okay, if the inspection results are as expected, okay, then what we can do, we can perform acceptance activity in a system. So to perform that acceptance activity in a system, okay, what we need to do, we need to select that origin acceptance checkbox in our purchase order. You understand? So this origin acceptance means, with this acceptance, okay, system allows us to accept goods at supplier facility before dispatching, means before shipment to destination. So with this, what we can do, with this we can achieve quality inspection before dispatching the material. Also there is one more thing, okay, we can achieve with this. Sometimes what supplier expects from us, suppose if he dispatch material from his location or his facility, so he expect payment from us. Okay, suppose supplier is from US or other country, and we are purchasing from material, okay, we are from India and we are purchasing material from other countries, and in transit, okay, the transit time is, suppose the transit time is 3-4 days, and vendor will not stay for that time, okay, for payment, so he expect us early payment. So in that case, so before material arrived physically or before material received physically, okay, so vendor is expecting payment from us. So for that purpose, okay, this origin acceptance, okay, we use in a system. So here you can see, so for this origin acceptance, okay, what we can do with this origin acceptance, purchaser can inspect or he can do accept at goods at origin. Goods at origin mean at supplier facility or at supplier location we can do acceptance or we can do visual or quality inspection. And after accepting that goods, okay, supplier will deliver his material to receiving plant address. So here basically what we are doing, whoever is the purchaser, so he acknowledges, okay, he will acknowledge that acceptance of that material, okay, then only supplier delivers his material, okay, to the destination. So for acceptance purpose, what we need to do in a system, we'll go back to system. Okay, so here we have created purchase order, okay, and suppose this purchase order received, okay, at supplier location. He saw, okay, this purchase order, and after receiving this purchase order, okay, he just prepared this material, and now material is ready at his location. And after that, what purchaser will do, okay, suppose we are purchaser, what we'll do, we'll go at supplier facility, we'll do inspection, okay, quality inspection or visual inspection, and after that, okay, if that material is okay, then we'll do or we'll acknowledge the acceptance. So to acknowledge the acceptance, we need to perform certain transaction in a system. Okay, we need to perform certain transaction in a system. So for that, for that activity, what we need to do, for that acknowledgement, we need to perform goods receipt, okay, we need to perform goods receipt with reference to this PO with movement type 107. Let me open. Okay, acceptance, for acceptance acknowledge, okay, what we do, we perform goods receipt against PO with movement type 107. So what we will do, first of all, okay, before performing this activity, first of all we'll check the stock status of this material. So we'll open MMB transaction on another screen, and here we'll put that material code, plant code, and I will click on execute. So here you can see currently we have a one quantity stock available under this plant store location 0001. So under this store location 0001 we have one quantity stock available. Now what we'll do, as I mentioned, for acceptance acknowledge, okay, we need to perform one activity, okay, and that activity means, okay, we need to perform goods receipt with reference to PO with movement type 107. Now before performing this activity, we'll go back to error. Okay, so in this screenshot, okay, here, okay, that movement type part is not visible. Here also you can see, okay, that movement type is not visible. It means we are not sure with what movement type user was trying to perform good receipt, right? Maybe he was trying to perform good receipt with movement type 101. So for that purpose, okay, what we'll do to make sure, we'll again perform same activity. Here you can see I kept this screen open. Now I will click on check button. Here you can see movement type is 101, and I guess at header level also movement type 101. Now I will try to perform. Okay, here I am clicking on check button. See, it means what mistake user did. Okay, he tried to perform goods receipt with 101 movement type. Okay, but as this PO has origin acceptance checkbox selected, okay, so in this case, okay, system will not allow to post GR with 101 movement type. Just remember this thing. If origin checkbox is selected in PO delivery tab at item level, then GR with 101 is not possible. Okay, if you try to perform GR with 101 movement, then it will throw this error, inadmissible movement type acceptance at vendor set for PO item. So in this case, what we need to do, instead of using movement type 101, we need to perform GR against this PO with movement type 107. Now what we'll do, we'll just come out from this Migo transaction, and again we'll try to perform GR. Okay, here I selected goods receipt as action. In a reference I selected purchase order. Here I will put purchase order number. Our purchase order number is 454x0140, and here instead of 101 I will select movement type as a 107. Press enter. Okay, again press enter. So see, now, okay, once the moment I entered 107 movement at header level, at item level, so it will default movement type 107. So here ensure all details are updated, okay, correct. In the where tab, here you can see movement type, okay, here I am selecting item okay checkbox and click on check button. So earlier when we tried with 101, so that time when we clicked on check button, that time only system thrown error, but now system is saying document is okay. It means now system is allowing us to post good receipt. But here if you see this where tab carefully, here under movement tab we have only plant field available. Here storage location field is suppressed. Okay, so storage location field is suppressed. I will tell you why this field system has suppressed. But right now this document is means system is allowing us to post this document. Now I will click on post. So the moment you click on post, see material document got posted. Material document got posted. And if we go to stock MMB, here I will take a screenshot. Okay. So before refreshing this screen, I will take screenshot. Yeah. Now what I will do, I will click on refresh button. So see, after good reset, what happened? After good reset, here under this plant, what system did? Here system is showing receiving valuated stock in transit. Receiving valuated stock in transit. It means when we did good receipt, when we perform good, let me open this document. Here you can see we perform good receipt with movement type 107, and the description of this 107 movement is GR2 valuated blocked stock. It means after good receipt, what system will do? System will post stock under valuated block stock category. Valuated block stock category in a transit. So if we move the scroll bar toward right side, so on the right side here it will show receiving valued stock in a transit. Let me drag this column towards left side. I will just move the scroll column towards here. Now you can see this one quantity stock is available under receiving validated stock in transit. Receiving validated stock in transit means what we did, we just acknowledged acceptance. We just acknowledged that acceptance, and after acknowledging this acceptance, supplier will dispatch his material from his location. It means that material is not received physically. It means that material is not received physically, it's in transit. That's why here stock system is showing this stock under transit. System is showing the stock in a transit because we have not received this stock physically at our delivery address. Now I will go back to this GR document. Here if you go to header section, document info tab, here you can see FI documents tab is available. If you click on this, so here what happened? Again this GR document, system has posted accounting document. It means here what happened? If we go back to purchase order data, here in purchase order we selected origin acceptance checkbox in a delivery tab. So with this we'll come to know we will do inspection at supplier location, and for acknowledging that acceptance we need to perform GR with 107 movement type. So here you can see the moment we perform GR with 107 movement type, material document got posted, and along with the material document accounting entry also generated. As accounting entry generated, it means we took ownership of that material. You can say in other words, we took ownership of that material. That ownership got transferred from supplier to us. And okay, as accounting entry generated here. So in this case, what we can do payment to the supplier, okay, as he is expecting payment from us. So in this case, as accounting entry is present here, so with this GR, okay, with this accounting entry, finance team can perform invoice and they can do payment to the supplier. If you try to perform good invoice, okay, then system will allow to perform invoice. But now what, okay, suppose after some time this material is received, okay, at our delivery address. Suppose our delivery address is plant address, okay, our plant address. So at this delivery address, suppose this material is received physically. Now we want to receive this material, okay, now we need to receive this material into the system. Then what we need to do, we need to perform GR again. We need to perform GR again with reference to PO with movement type 109. We need to perform GR again with movement type 109. But before performing this GR with 109 movement type, okay, we'll again go back to stock overview, and here we'll check one more thing. Here you can see this receiving valid stock in transit, it is showing at a plant level, not at storage location level. Here you can see this one quantity, it is showing at plant level, not at storage location level. So remember, okay, just keep this in note. Once you perform GR with 107 movement, then system will show that receiving valid stock in transit at plant level, not at storage location level. So now what we'll do, we'll again try to perform, now we'll perform GR with 109 movement type, because that material is received, okay, we have received that material physically. So we'll go to MIGO transaction, select goods receipt as action, in a reference select in reference select purchase order as a reference document. Here enter purchase order number, and now select movement type as a 109. Press enter, click on continue this page, again press enter. See, I am just minimizing this. Now see, as we have selected 109 movement at header, okay, at item level also it will show movement type as a 109. Now see, with this 109 movement type, here under this plant field we have store location field also present. It means with this 109, what we'll do, we will receive this material physically at our plant and store location level. Now okay, select item okay checkbox, click on check button and post. Yeah? So document has posted. So if we go back to stock overview, now we have posted GR with 109 movement type. So with this what will happen, system will transfer this stock from in transit to unregistered stock at storage location level. I am taking screenshot of this, so you can, yeah, we have already taken screenshot. Now I am clicking on refresh button. So see, earlier under 0001 stock was 1, but now it has, okay, shown, now it is showing stock, okay, 2. It means from transit, okay, from transit this stock transferred to unregistered stock at storage location level. It means with this what happened, this transit stock got reduced, this transit stock got decreased, and this unregistered stock which available at storage, okay, it got increased. Okay, so with this 109, this unregistered stock at storage got increased. Now if we go back to MIGO screen, and if we open this material document again, okay, here the document number is 2464. Here you can see movement type 109. Now if we go to header data to check if accounting entry generated or not, so go to FI documents. See, no subsequent document found in accounting. It means for this purchase order, what happened? For this purchase order, accounting entry is already generated during 107 movement, right? When we posted GR with 107 movement type, so that time only what system did? System generated accounting entry. That's why when we posted GR again with 109 movement type, so that time system again didn't generate accounting entry because accounting entry was already generated. So this is the concept of origin acceptance. Now we'll go back to presentation. So what is the actually feature of this origin acceptance? With this origin acceptance, system allows us for early quality control and acceptance of good, and also it enables better management of financial postings and payments. As here what with this origin acceptance, okay, system allows us to do payment, okay, once we accept that material at supplier location. Origin means at supplier location. So this is about origin acceptance and inadmissible movement type. There is one more concept here. What we did, we perform good receipt with purchase order. We perform good receipt with purchase order. Now what I will do, I will create one more purchase order. I will copy existing purchase order, okay. Suppose I am just copying this purchase order, okay. This purchase order is created for same material with same material, same supplier, same plant, all informations are same. And here if you go to delivery tab, here you can see origin acceptance checkbox is also selected. And what I will do, okay, here confirmation checkbox is okay. I will first, okay, I will just keep this confirmation control key as a blank. Okay, we have created this PO 1841. Let me refresh this page. Yeah. So in my inbox, okay, it is appearing for approval. So I am just approving this document. Suppose by mistake, okay. Suppose if user tried to perform good receipt, okay, with 109 movement instead of performing 107, okay, instead of performing 107, suppose he directly tried to perform GR with 109 movement. Let's see what happens, whether the system allows us or not. Let me select item, okay, checkbox. See, quantity and or delivery complete indicator or final issue indicator are missing. It means, okay, if we try to perform GR with 109 movement type, okay, is directly before instead of performing 107, then system will throw this error, quantity or delivery complete indicator or final issue indicator are missing. So it means we cannot perform 109 before 107. Next thing I want to show you is, let's say, okay, we are again creating purchase order with origin acceptance checkbox, and here what difference I will do, okay, I will select this origin acceptance checkbox, and in the confirmation tab, here now I will select confirmation as a inbound delivery. Here I will select confirmation as a inbound delivery. Now clicking on save. Yep. Here the document is created 1842. Okay, we need to approve this document, right? So I will go back to my inbox, click on refresh. Yeah, So just select this document, click on approve. So we approved this document. Now what we will do, as we have selected confirmation control key as a inbound delivery, parallelly what I will do, I will just open MD04 screen also. Let me go to MD04. Yeah. So just now what we did, we created one purchase order 1842 and we have approved this purchase order. Now what I will do, as confirmation control key is maintained as a inbound delivery, so I will create inbound delivery against this purchase order. How to create inbound delivery? To create inbound delivery, you can execute transaction code VL31N. So here enter your purchase order number, press enter. Okay, plant is 1711, social is 0001. Click on save. So inbound delivery is created. What is the inbound delivery number? 185x050. If you go to MD04 stock requirement list screen, click on refresh. Okay, so that inbound delivery, okay, I think it is showing on the top. See, this is the inbound delivery shipping notification 185x050. Same inbound delivery information we can also see if we refresh this PO. Yeah, so under confirmation tab, here system will show us the inbound delivery created. Now what I will do, first of all we'll check how much stock is available. So under 0001 we have a 2 quantity stock available. Now I will open this inbound delivery. So you can open this inbound delivery by double clicking on here, or to open this inbound delivery in a display mode, you can just follow this menu path, click on inbound delivery in upper left corner and click on display, or you can directly execute transaction code VL33N. So here you can see inbound delivery in display mode. So here if you see in this inbound delivery, okay, what movement type is triggered? 109 movement type is triggered. Okay, generally when we create inbound delivery with reference to purchase order, then system triggers 101 movement. But here what system did? System has triggered 109 movement. Okay, why? Because we have created this inbound delivery against this purchase order. How you can check the purchase order reference? If you double click on this material line item, go to predecessor data, click on this spec icon, or here you can see purchase order number. Just click on spec icon. So here you can see purchase order information. So here go to delivery tab. See what checkbox we have selected this origin acceptance checkbox. As we have selected this origin acceptance checkbox, here what happened? Okay, system is showing 109 movement, but actually, okay, if you want to understand how movement type gets determined in the delivery, so to understand this, what we need to do, as this is IBD, as this is the inbound delivery, first of all we need to check configuration setting. If I go back to SPRO, go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, materials management, purchasing. Under purchasing, go to confirmations. Here go to confirmations. Now in this, click on execute define internal confirmation categories. Define internal confirmation categories. If you go back to your purchase order, see your confirmation category is a LA, and again this LA, this inbound delivery has created, right? So see, for this shipping notification LA confirmation category, for receiving stock in transit, okay, receiving validated stock in transit, what delivery type is maintained? For normal inbound delivery, system triggers EL as a delivery type. But for this case, for this stock in transit case, what delivery type is maintained? ELST. So where you can check this ELST? If you go back, let me just go back. Yeah. If you go back to inbound delivery, click on this cap header details button or cap icon. So under administration tab, here, okay, the delivery type is available. It means as, okay, in that purchase order, origin acceptance checkbox is selected. So what system did? System just went into this configuration setting, okay, and here system check, okay, what delivery type is maintained under this delivery type inbound delivery stock in transit. So here delivery type found, okay, ELST. So with this delivery type, okay, what system did? System created inbound delivery. Now we understood, okay, how this delivery type system determines. So further what happens with respect to this delivery type, okay, with respect to this delivery type ELST, what system does further? System determines item category in the inbound delivery. So see, means what system did when we create IBD. So first what system did? System determined, okay, system determines delivery type, okay. So in this case what happened? System determined ELST delivery type from internal confirmation config setting. Once delivery type is determined, then what system does with respect to this, with reference to this delivery type, with reference to this delivery type and general item category group in material master, it determines item category. What system will do? System will determine item category in the delivery. Item category in the delivery. I will just type as a IBD. So here if you go to goods movement data tab, here it will show movement tab and item category. So in this case, okay, what item category system has determined? ELST. And how this item category system determined? So for this what we'll do? First of all, we'll just go back to this confirmation, okay. From this configuration, system found delivery type as a ELST. Now what second thing system will do? System will check what item category group, general item category group maintained in the material master. If we just double click on this material master in purchase order, go to basic data 1, here system will come to know the what general item category group is maintained. So here general item category group maintained is a blank, right? So here system found delivery type ELST and general item category group blank. Now after this information, okay, after getting this information, what next thing system will do? System will check one more configuration setting. What is that configuration setting? Go to SPRO IMG SPRO IMG logistic execution shipping deliveries. Under deliveries, here if you go to define item category determination in deliveries, define item category determination in deliveries, here system will pass those information. What delivery type is in our IBD? ELST. General item category group is blank. Item usage is okay. Here you can see what is V and this. So here V means purchase order and here usage is blank. So here you can see with this for this combination or for this combination, what item category is maintained? ELST. What item category is maintained? ELST. And if you check this, if you check the description of this item category, let me do one thing, just click on back button. Here is the configuration where we can define item categories. Just click on this item category config setting, search item category ELST, select this item category, click on details button. So see, so this is the item category defined for valid stock, receiving valid stock in transit. And here you can see under this item category 109 movement type is maintained. It means in our IBD, in our inbound delivery, okay, the movement type which okay system is showing, that movement type is coming from item delivery. That movement type is coming from this item category configuration setting. Okay. Here also you can check delivery type. In our inbound delivery type is ELST, right? So here you can see this delivery type is also receiving valid stock in transit. Okay, and to create delivery with this delivery type, purchase order is required. So this is the meaning of order required. Now I am going back to delivery. So this is our delivery, right? Now we understood okay how system determines this 109 movement type, okay, or how system determines okay movement type in a delivery. Now in this case what we'll do, for this case okay we have not performed 107, okay, and now what we'll do, we'll try to perform good receipt with 109. So how you can perform good receipt? Here you can click on post good receipt button. If I click on post good receipt button, see delivery has not yet been put away. It means under the stock placement tab, here we have not entered put away quantity. So here now I am putting put away quantity, and now I will again try to perform post good receipt. See what error system is throwing? EKLA-LWSB exceeded by 1 each. Okay, suppose if you receive such type of, if you receive ticket with such type of error, if you just double click on this long text, and suppose if you receive such type of issue okay while working in support project, then first of all you need to check again this IBD whether 107 posting is done or not. So in this case what happened, instead of doing 107 we directly tried for posting 109 movement. That's why system is throwing error. Now here the movement is 109, then how we can perform GR with 107, right? So if you want to perform GR with 107 movement, what you can do, okay, you just execute MIGO transaction, okay, and in this MIGO transaction here select action as a goods receipt, in purchase order select reference document as a inbound delivery, and here you can enter inbound delivery number, and here select movement type 107, press enter, okay, again press enter. So see, as we have selected this movement type 107 at header, at item level also it is showing same movement type 107. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll perform 107, we'll perform acceptance with 107 movement. But before doing this, I will just review stock overview. So currently we have a two quantity stock available at 0001 and we don't have any stock in transit column. So click on post. Material document is posted, and if we let me take a screenshot. Refresh. See, now it is showing receiving value added stock in transit. It means when we did GR with reference to inbound delivery and we took movement type as a 107, then with 107 system posted that stock under receiving value stock in transit category. Receiving value stock in transit category. Let me just move this column toward extreme left side. Okay, here it is clearly showing this receiving value stock in transit quantity as a 1. And if we go back to purchase order, let me refresh the screen. Here it will show purchase order history, and if you open this document and go to header section, doc info tab, if you click on FI document, here it will show accounting entry postings or accounting entry generated. Now GR has posted. If we go back to VL33 and display inbound delivery transaction, open this inbound delivery, go to document flow tab. Here under document flow it will show GR2 validated block stock, okay, and it will show the material document number, date and time, okay, and status it will show as a complete. And if we go to goods movement data tab, here it will show goods movement status as a A means not yet started. Okay, suppose after some time this material is received physically, we have received this material physically, now we want to perform good receipt. So how you can perform? You need to open this delivery in a change mode. Okay, you can use VR32N transaction, and in this VR32N transaction, first of all check what is the goods movement status A. Now I will click on post good receipt. Delivery has not yet been put away. Okay, I forgot to enter put away quantity. Yeah. Now I am just going back to goods movement status, still it is A. Now clicking on post good receipt. Now see, good receipt for inbound delivery posted. It means GR against this inbound delivery has posted, and this is the material document has generated in the background. And if we open this inbound delivery, so it will not open in a change mode, okay, it will be in a display mode. And if you go to document flow, here it will show GR, okay, GR entry. Here it will show GR entry. And if I go back to stock overview, what it will do, it will transfer this validated transit stock from this stock in transit to unrestricted stock. Click on refresh. Okay, see, stock in transit has reduced and unrestricted stock got increased at store location level. Okay, if I go back to purchase order, let me open this, let me refresh this page. Okay, 454001842. See, 109 document has been generated. If you go to material document, doc info tab, click on FI document, then it will throw error. No subsequent document found in accounting. It means, okay, accounting entry is already generated with 107 movement. That's why, okay, with 109 system will not generate new accounting entries. Let me go back to presentation. So if, okay, these are the point, okay, we need to remember. Suppose if there is a daily IBD, then we need to first check what is the IBD number, then we need to check, okay, what is the movement type, okay, in the IBD, if it is 101 or 109. If movement type is now 101, then we need to check what is the item category and delivery type in IBD. And if movement type in IBD is 109, then GR with 107 movement type prior to 109 posting. Matlab means we need to post 107 movement, okay, before 109. So this is about, this was the error which I was, okay, trying to explain. If you face this error, or if you receive this type of error, okay, then we need to do same analysis as we did, okay, for IBD. So this is about origin acceptance. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Bye.